God damn, it's hot. Is that alright? Welcome back to my channel. It's me. Nope. Ah, I'm a genius. Hey guys, it's me. Welcome back to my channel. Sorry, that was really like in your face. I don't know if you guys are gonna be able to hear anything I'm saying because the fan is like on super loud. It's either that or I melt away in the heat, so it's a lose-lose situation. Anyway, for today's video, I wanted to go a little old school and try out a little Pinterest DIY. So I'm bringing back Shima Tries Pinterest. Actually, it's not a thing. I did it once like 10 years ago. Anyway, I was on Pinterest again. I don't even know if people still go on Pinterest, but I do. And I stumbled upon this little DIY lipstick thing that I really wanted to try. So let me pull up the pin for you. Crap, my internet's really slow. Okay, this one is basically DIY lip gloss slash lipstick just using 2 ingredients. Actually, it's an entire article of 27 DIYs with 2 ingredients. I just saw the front page was this, and it like was pretty self-explanatory with the crayons and coconut oil, so I thought, I've actually seen this floating around for a bit. I just never really had any intention to try it until now. So yeah, if you guys are interested to see me attempt to do this little DIY, then let's get into it. Yes, same when I first scrolled across this and I was like, really, you're gonna be putting crayons on your lips? But then I thought about it. Crayons are actually pretty safe. I mean, they're probably one of the safest things out there, seeing if they're made for children. So generally they're like non-toxic, and I mean, kids eat it. So how bad for you can it be compared to actual cosmetics like lipstick? The amount of shit that goes in there. Anyway, I'm gonna stop talking now and let's get into it. So as usual, I'm not actually gonna read this. Sounds really dumb, but I just don't like reading instructions, so I'm hoping this little pictorial here is going to be enough help to me. Okay, so what we're going to need is some crayons, some coconut oil, and I actually had this giant bottle in my room already because I used to remove my makeup with it. I don't know why I stopped. It was actually really good at doing that, and my skin felt really good, so. Lastly, you're going to need a couple of little container things to pop your lipsticks in once you're done. You can use a little tiny one like this that's in the picture, or I'm actually going to pop it in one of these little compartment thingies that used to have concealer in it. I just emptied out the concealer and I'm going to pop it in here just because I want to play around with a few different colors. So yeah, I think that's it. Let's start. I don't actually know what I'm doing. I'm such an idiot. I mean, how hard is it to tap on the article? Oh, I just did. You know what? It's taking too long to load. Let's just guess. So I'm just going to grab a color that I want to start with. I'm probably going to go with orange just because I like orange lipsticks. And I want to see if this actually works. Okay, so roadblock. I'm pretty sure we're going to need a stove to actually melt the crayons and stir it in with the coconut oil. But I don't want to go downstairs to the kitchen. Instead of boiling water over a stovetop, I have a little thermos of really hot water. It's actually kind of boiling. And I'm going to do a little double boil situation. All my bakers out there, you know what I mean. With a tiny bowl and a slightly bigger bowl. So I'm going to pop the hot water in here, pop the little glass thing in here, so it sits on top of the hot water and it's like in a bath of hot water, you know what I mean? And then I'm going to melt the crayon in there. And hopefully that's enough heat to actually melt the crayon and do what we want it to do. I'm going to put the coconut oil into this little glass bowl. I don't actually know ratios. I guess I'm going to do 1 to 1. But you know what? That's kind of working. I mean, it's kind of melting. So this is the situation we have right now. Kind of have the crayon semi-melting with the coconut oil. I think the water's not hot enough. It would definitely melt a lot quicker and a lot thorougher if I had this on the stove. I mean, it's melting. It's definitely working. It's just that this is going to take forever, seeing as the crayon is so thick. You know what? I'm just going to go downstairs and pop this in the microwave for a bit, and hopefully that melts the crayon a bit faster. I'll be back 1 second. You know what? That actually worked pretty well. So this is how it's looking right now. I really hope I don't pour this all over myself because that would be really sad. It's as opaque as I would like it to be. Like, it's pretty intense orange, you know? Like, while I was melting it downstairs, I realized that I had put too much coconut oil, so I actually poured some out. I don't know why I'm acting like this is a tutorial. Nobody is going to do this. Anyway, I think that's my first color done. And I am gonna spoon this little concoction into my little compartment thing. Yeah, you know what? I made way too much for this little compartment thing. You know what? I might just fill this one up as well. Oops. Oh, it's starting to harden already. I'm actually really excited about that just because I already see it hardening. Like you can see that little top layer is kind of plasticky, which I'm not sure is the best descriptor of something you're about to be putting on your lips, but... So yeah, that's my orange done. I'm going to go do the exact same thing for a couple more colors, and then we will come back and swatch them on the lips. Just see how they look, you know? See how our little DIY lipsticks came out. I'm back after what felt like 10 hours of microwaving crayons. But nah, it took half an hour and I'm finally done with all the colors that I wanted to pop in here, except I'm pretty upset. The yellow is like completely mutated because the purple seeped into it, and then the green seeped into the purple. So you know what? It doesn't even matter. Like I don't even know why I'm doing this. Honestly, I was just really intrigued. But after like all the effort, I'm honestly thinking why? Like why on earth would you spend so long to make crappy lipsticks or lip glosses when you could like just buy them for cheaper than it would have been to buy coconut oil and crayons. But anyway, let's get to swatching and see how they actually work. Okay, so I'm just going to start by doing a couple of swatches on my hand. Let's go ahead and swatch these. Okay, it feels very, very balmy. It basically feels like a lip balm. I guess I would just call these DIY lip balms. So yeah, okay, it is super pigmented. I guess it's kind of like a pigmented lip balm. That's the orange. Honestly, it is pretty pigmented, but it is very, very glossy, I guess because it is coconut oil. It's basically just like a colored version of using a coconut lip balm. I'm just going to tie my hair up real quick because that was very stressful. Clearly, I'm just not meant to be in the kitchen, huh? Actually, that's a complete lie because I actually love cooking. I spent way too long applying this red lip. Okay, let's just, excuse the fact that I have red lipstick all over my face, but, you know what? It feels nice on my lips and it is pretty pigmented, but it's just a really greasy, tinted lip balm. Okay, so that's the yellow. It is definitely just a really oily, tinted lip gloss. Honestly, I just don't see why anyone would do this to themselves. Oh shit, so as soon as this one hits my lip, it's melting completely. Okay, that's the purple gloss. It's definitely because it hasn't hardened enough. Like the orange was pretty hard because I had left it out there for a long time. These are melting immediately. So that's the green. I actually really like this one. I feel like it would be really cool for like a photo or something, but it feels really, really bad on your lips. Like it just feels like coconut oil with like crayons, because that's what it is. Okay, honestly, the black one's pretty cool. I really do like the black one, and I feel like if I left it a little bit longer to harden, it would get as hard as the orange one and probably not melt as much as it is right now. So yeah, that's pretty much it for my little DIY crayon lipstick lip gloss to lip gloss situation. Overall, I just don't see why you would do this. Okay. Here's the thing, I definitely wouldn't use them as a lip gloss, and I don't recommend using them as a lip gloss because they feel super uncomfortable. But if you wanted to do like a really cute photo or like for Halloween vibes, I'm pretty sure having it on your lips for like a couple of hours won't kill you, you know? So yeah, that's pretty much all I have to say. I might actually keep this and use this for a couple of Halloween photos or something like that. But yeah, it was fun. Actually, no, it wasn't fun to do. I was standing in the kitchen for way too long. But if you did do it over the stove, it'd probably take a lot less time than the microwave. I don't know why I'm acting like you guys are going to do this. You're definitely not, and I don't recommend spending time doing this. Just go out and buy a lip gloss. I feel like that makes more sense and less time. I don't know. Anyway, that's pretty much it for my little Shima Tries Pinterest video. I just felt like doing something a little bit fun. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope that this video was helpful or enjoyable, and I will see you next time. Bye. I have lipstick all over my teeth.